Marker H series provide remote data receiving function. In this video, I will show you how to remotely sending messages and turn them into scannable data matrix. First, prepare a Wi-Fi network. You'll need to plug in the Wi-Fi adapter that come with the machine. After plug in the adapter, click Setting on the main screen, then click System at the bottom left. Click Network Mode to select Network Connection. Click Wi-Fi to search and connect to the Wi-Fi. After connected, the system will generate an IP address. Write down or remember this number and you can go back to home screen. Here we want to create a data matrix that represents serial numbers generated on PC. We click the QR code button. Click Edit to open editing menu. Check the serial number block. Remember, the number 256 in the serial number block means that you can send up to 256 messages at a time. We adjust the size to 12 millimeters by 12 millimeters and change type to GS1 data matrix. Add infill of 0.05 millimeters and finish setup this data matrix. Then we want to add a text beside the data matrix that print the same text message contained in the data matrix. Adjusting the position, open editing menu and select serial number block. Adjusting the font type to single line, that gives you better printing speed. And the preview of the font is on the top left of editing menu. Adjusting the position again. Then we want to add a variable text that contains current date and time. Add a text wizard, and then click Editing. Select Variable Block, and click Setting. In the Setting menu, you can find some options like serial number, date, and time. The serial number here is different from what we selected previously. It generates serial number by the machine itself instead of receiving data remotely. We select Date here, pick a format that we want, and click OK to add. Then we select time and pick a desired format again. Click OK to add time right after the date. Then let's click New Line button to switch to a new line. Select Class button since we want to add a shift information in this mark. Set up the shift start time and some description of this shift. Click OK, and then adjust fonts and position again. So right now we have a printing module that contains a data matrix, a text message, a date and time information, and a shift description. Click marking, there will be an error message that says variable text is empty. That means you haven't sent any message through the Wi-Fi network to the machine. So we can go to the PC to send messages. On the PC end, first you'll need to connect to the same Wi-Fi network with the H series. Then open the software NetAssist that preloaded in the flash drive come with the machine. In the software screen, select TCP client protocol in the settings. Adjust the remote host address, which is the IP address, to the same number that displayed on the H series. The IP address has 4 sections. Usually, you only need to modify the last section once you connect to the same network. Modify the remote host port to 3776, then click Connect. There will be a message saying that the server is connected. Follow the same settings for the rest options, and we'll be ready to sending messages. Copy and paste the commands from the TXT file loaded in the flash drive. We use Serial Number Generator to generate serial numbers to monitor your manufacturing system. The command contains several sections, the start and end. We use \x02 and \x03 to quote the whole command. The first word after x02 is the action command, like start, stop, and put, which means start marking, stop marking, and sending message. The text after the action words is the message part that goes in the format of ID number, semicolon, message, and semicolon. Here we have 2 objects in the H series, a data matrix and a text that needs to receive message from PC, so we have 2 IDs, 0 and 1. After ID 0, we replace the original message by our serial number. Then we do the same operation after ID 1. After the last word of the message, add a number 5 at the end to terminate the message. Then click Send. There will be a put message in the screen. Then we can generate several different serial numbers and send to the machine continuously. Let's see what happened in the machine. It received the data we sent, mark, and then it will change to the next message until it uses up all the data from catch.